Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 16th algorithm video, and in this video suppose there is a hacker whose name is Vijay, and he has devised a mechanism for distinguishing whether a profile is fake or not. So for example, if there is a username, he has to count the number of consonants, and if the number of consonants is odd, then it is a male ID, and if the number of consonants in that user profile is even, it is female. Okay, so for example, the profile name that is given to us is MZTF. Okay, then I make a list of vowels. Because we would be working with consonants, we need to know which are the vowels in the user profile and which are the consonants in the user profile. List of vowels. I would be catering to both the uppercase vowels and the lowercase vowels. Q, A, E, I, O, Q. Okay, then I make a dictionary of consonants also. This dictionary is necessary to store the distinct consonants, and it would help me to keep track of each consonant and to count it only once. Okay, so I make a blank dictionary. Then I make a for loop for I in profile name. Okay, and if I not in list vowels and I not in list dict consonants. Okay, so why did I write this statement? So basically, if I not in list vowels basically mean that we are looking for a word which is a consonant, and we are also looking for a consonant which has not been counted in the dictionary as of yet. Okay, when these two conditions are okay, when these two conditions are met, then I add a key to the dictionary and I add one value to that key value pair. Okay, when this dictionary is completed, let's say I print it. Now as you can see, J, P, M, Z, T, F are the consonants, and as you can see, they have been counted only once, right? So I need to find the whether the consonants that have been added to the dictionary, are they odd or are they even. So I do sum of consonants, and I loop and I make a for loop over the dictionary for I, comma J in dict consonants dot items. Okay, then sub consonants is equal to sub consonants plus J. J is the value, I is the key in here. Okay, so I print some consonants. Okay, and I make a if condition. If some consonants is odd, then I say it's a fake profile and it belongs to a male. Otherwise, it's a genuine profile and it belongs to a female. Okay, and as I click play, you can see that there are total of 6 distinct consonants in this user profile, and it's a since 6 is a even number, so it belongs to a female. Okay, now I change the profile name, for example, to like PLKAITW. Okay, so as you can see, there are a total of 5 distinct consonants in this user profile, and since 5 is an odd number, so it's a fake profile and it belongs to a male. I hope you understood this algorithm. Please share, like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.